Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN IOMMU restrictions applied error.
Fix 1. Disable IOMMU in BIOS Step 1. Restart your PC and enter BIOS EFI. Press DLF2 UF10 during boot. Step 2. Go to Advanced Settings. Step 3. Find IOMMU or SVM VTD and disable it. Step 4. Save changes and restart your PC. Fix 2. Turn off virtualization in BIOS Step 1. Enter BIOS EFI. Step 2. Open Advanced CPU configuration. Step 3. Disable Intel VTD, Intel, or SVM mode AMD. Step 4. Save and reboot. Fix 3. Disable Virtual Machine Platform, Windows. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type optional features. Press Enter. Step 2. Uncheck Virtual Machine Platform. Step 3. Click OK and restart. Fix 4. Disable Hyper-V. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Step 2. Go to Programs. Turn Windows features on or off. Step 3. Uncheck Hyper-V. Step 4. Restart your PC.